Hello friends, this is Tomo. Today I will show you how to make origami wings. Or if you use green paper, you can make origami leaves. Or if you keep this upside down like this, you can make an origami mustache like this. I see it on the pushing. Okay, let's leave this on the side. Okay, get the origami paper and keep the white side up. Pick up one corner and match the corner on the other side and make a triangle. After the triangle, I want you to open the paper and find the center line. Pick up the corner on the center line and match the corner on the other side and make another triangle. Open the paper. And this time I want you to match one corner, any corner is fine, but one corner on the center of the square like this. And we are going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. So when you're done, you will see a shape of a football. And after the football, I want you to focus on these two colored triangles and match one of the triangles edge on the center line right here. And when you fold it, this corner right here is very slippery, so I want you to hold it using the two fingers like this and pinch the edge and match the edge on the center line like this. And we are going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. So when you're done, you will see a shape like this. And after this, I want you to match this edge on the center line, like this. Okay, let's do this again on the other side. And when you're done, you will see a shape like this. It's very slim. And you will see two white squares on both sides. And after this, I want you to open everything. And when you open everything, you will see 15 vertical wrinkles. And this time, I want you to focus on the little triangle on both sides. And I want you to fold this triangle like this. So match this corner on the second wrinkle right here. Like this. And can you do the same thing on the other side? So fold the two small triangles on both sides. And when you fold them, always match their corners on the center line. After this, flip this over and we are going to fold these two sides on the end, following the wrinkles you've already made. Like this. And after this, turn this over. And we are going to do exactly the same thing on both sides. And we are going to make the shape of accordions. So turn this over and fold this edge right here. And do the same thing on the other side. Like this. And we're going to keep repeating exactly the same action until you will see 8 white squares. So put this on the table, fold the edge on both sides, turn this over, fold the edge on both sides, and turn this over, and do the same thing here and here. So now, when you will see a shape like this with the 8 white squares right here. Now after this, turn this over, and do you see the center line right here? I want you to use a line and match these two edges together. So now you will see 8 white triangles, and we are going to fold everything in half and match these two corners together. That was a little funky. Match these two corners together this. And ta-da! You just made the wings. If you use green paper, you can make leaves. And if you keep this upside down, you can use this as the mustache for pushing like this. Alright? Well done everyone. See you next time.